How to add multiple audios on Instagram Reels. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can add multiple audios in one singular reel. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. The very first process is you need to create a reel first in order to add audio. So what you're going to do is simply swipe to left, or you may just tap on the plus icon at the very bottom. You can see that option very easily. I'm just going to choose the option of swiping to the left and going to the reel section. Just swipe to left. And when you swipe to left, you should be able to see post story reel. So simply click on reel. After that, you may just record a video at that moment or select a video that is already available on your device. For now, I'm just going to select a video from my album. After I'm done selecting, you should be able to see music icon at the bottom very easily. Just tap on it. And when you tap on it, you'll be able to see a music, different kind of music that you may use on your reels. Just select it and tap on done. So that's basically how you can put a single audio on a single reel. But if you want to put multiple audios on one singular reel, what you can do is use different kind of video editor app like CapCut and VN Video Editor. So you may just open that app. After that, just split the videos into half. After that, select different audios for different parts of the video. After that, simply select add audios and just get back here after you are done exporting that particular video to your gallery. After that, just come here and get back here and go on with the process of creating a reel again and simply tap on OK. After that, that particular reel with different multiple audios should be posted on your Instagram. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to do that very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.